A few days ago, as I watched a brand new movie online, for fresh ways to make money online simply by watching movies were made clear to me. It's incredibly easy to make $300 a day while watching movies online. The benefit is that you are paid to watch the films you want and may choose which ones you do. You can also view the films you like. The 4 websites I'll be presenting to you in this video are listed below, so stay tuned. The first site on our list is filmtaggr.com. For a prompt, you can either type filmtaggers.com into the new tab of your browser or search for it on Google and click the first result. You can understand how making money by watching movies can seem crazy. Nevertheless, it's more feasible than you may think. The movie suggestion tool FilmTaggr can be used by screenwriters, directors, producers, movie enthusiasts, and students to select films to see. If you stick with this video, I'll show you a tactic that might make you a sizable amount of money but that thousands of moviegoers aren't even aware of. Now, you may find the films you like to watch on this website. The genre, theme, and other details of these films will be identified by tags. By clicking on these buttons, you can see a list of popular films. This one will display well-liked movie topics and make it simple for you to look up movies. Finding your movie is made easiest by using FilmTaggr. Enter this movie's name into the search bar over there if you're a dedicated movie fan searching to view only the best ones or a film student trying to prioritize which movies to see for your film studies. On the website's matched results page, you may find the name of the film right here. This picture of the movie poster, which is on the, emphasizes the genre matches for this film. Keep watching for my special recommendations to boost your income since they are soon to become important. Now, if you click here to go to the movie description, and where it says show/hide keywords, you can see the keyword categories that this film belongs to. For instance, if someone is seeking a movie with a specific genre or concerning fraud, money, the stock market, or finance, spends time in it, or a movie that features certain settings, such as a lift, an airplane, an apartment, and so forth. These words aid in a clearer explanation of the film. Let me now explain why these tags are necessary and how we'll use them to make money while viewing films. Go to Netflix, the second site on our list, so I can demonstrate why tags are necessary. Simply perform a jobs.netflix.com search. If you can't find the page, you can sign up here to become a Netflix movie tagger and categorize films and TV series for the service. And pay them to tag and classify the thousands of films that are available. People are hired by Netflix to serve as movie taggers. As a tagger of films, it will be your responsibility to watch Netflix-compatible films and television programs. Entering the search phrases that people are most likely to use to find a specific is the next stage. As a movie tagger, you can make up to $300 per day by watching films and TV shows and then adding the necessary tags. This includes objective facts like the cast as well as enticing subjective information to entice viewers to watch the movie. Currently, the only place to seek for tag positions is on the Netflix websites, so being active pays off. Simply use the word tagger as a search term on this page if you want to work as a Netflix tagger. Examine the search results after that to find an opening. As a result, make sure to bookmark the Netflix careers page and check it at least once per week to see whether a tag or position has opened up. Before we continue, I'll give you a chance to subscribe to the channel and, if you've already seen the video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Now, given that Netflix likely receives hundreds of applications for this position, I suggest keeping a watch on the Netflix job board in order to be informed when a position opens up. Let's move on to Nielsen.com, which is the third money-making website you can utilize to get paid to watch films. The company Nielsen, which carries out international research, provides the industry benchmark for the audience and consumer indicators. You may already be familiar with Nielsen thanks to its more than 90 years of television ratings. They have a reputation for being a trustworthy company in media evaluations, and they currently carry out consumer research in more than 100. To comprehend customer behavior better, you can join the research team. Utilizing the computer and mobile Nielsen panel. By simply signing up for and installing the Nielsen program on your computer, tablet, or smartphone and watching your favorite TV series, movies, or other online content, you can have an impact on the direction of the online world. Download the Only. As per normal, use your smartphone, and you're done. The great thing about Nielsen computer and mobile panel is that you don't have to alter your watching habits, unlike some other services that frequently require you to watch adverts or other paid content. There are new requirements, but everything can be put up easily. Whether it's YouTube, Netflix, or the news, you get to pick what to watch. Just create your own personal username and password. After providing a brief bio, install the app. You are eligible for monthly sweepstakes if you participate in the program. The company offers a $10,000 prize pool that will be split among 400 winners, with a $1,000 grand prize, in addition to the 50 annual rewards. Remember that by signing up for the Nielsen computer and mobile panel, you are essentially paying the organization to acquire some of your personal surfing data. Therefore, Winter will be the final website we use. You can earn at least $2.48 every 3 minutes by watching films on WinTub. You can see on their website that there are 2 primary ways to earn money using it. The first is watching videos online, such as TV episodes, films, and ads. The second tactic is to recommend friends. When your buddy signs up, you will receive $1 and your friend will receive $5, making it a win-win situation. You can transfer the money to your GC Cash, PayPal, or bank accounts as soon as you have the necessary minimum in your account. When to give you new movies to view on a daily basis, Tub.com has collaborated with more than 1,500 brands, including those mentioned above. To use this website, simply click this button. Entering your first and last name, birth date, and gender is all that remains to be done. Username and password for email after then, be sure to click Create Account after selecting Capture. Now, let me show you how we can raise the balance in your account. When we click the play button on this video, we will be taken to another website that is ad-filled. Just shut it now, and then press the play button once more. While the video is playing, keep an eye out for the countdown timer that indicates how much time is remaining, even though we only have to watch the first 34 seconds of it. To go to another ad website, we only click Finish. We simply close it once more and push the complete button once more when the 34 seconds have passed. Then a success message letting us know we've been paid. You'll see 61 cents on your dashboard. Refreshing the page is all that is necessary to see the money show up in our account. The scales have now been tipped. You can see that all that is required is to follow the same steps for videos 2, 3, 4, and 5. The only issue with this is that you are only required to view 5 films every day. The end of that. Please use the like button if you would want to see more videos from me that are similar to this one. Be sure to click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. Please feel free to ask any further questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.